breaking down a complex and controversial text. This information roadshow aims to shed some much requested light on the recently signed Trans-Pacific Partnership. The nationwide tour organised by the government seeks to publicly expose the agreement and what it's not.
We're explaining the whole of the agreement, the important opportunities it will present for New Zealand businesses, for exporters of goods and services, for investors, but we're also explaining the outcomes where people had concerns.
Around 40 people gathered for the day-long roadshow representing the public and business communities. For one Member of Parliament, it was a chance to represent her constituents and highlight ways the agreement could negatively affect them.
In Dunedin, we lost Hillside to an overseas contract. We know the costs in this city from poor decision making where New Zealand businesses are not treated on an equal footing, if you like, in terms of the benefit that New Zealand businesses provide to the New Zealand economy. And that's a concern if that kind of thing is not being addressed in these conversations.
While the TPP has been signed by the government, it's still yet to be ratified in Parliament. The prolonged nature of passing the free trade agreement leaves room for local protesters to make their opinions known.
We wanted to get out here and provide people with alternative information because we don't think they're getting the real information in there, we think they're just getting the spin. We want to make sure that people have access to the alternative views and are as informed as possible.
Protesters say there's been a lack of engagement with the public about the roadshow and the TPP itself. But Walker says there's a good reason why information's being spread now.
Before you've got a deal, you haven't actually got the deal, so you can't explain what the deal is. So now that the deal is there, we're taking this opportunity early in the piece because the parliamentary consideration is still underway, but to come out and explain so that people know about the agreement.
He's confident the roadshow will also help businesses to prepare for the agreement coming into force. That's expected to happen in 2 years, allowing time for all 12 countries to examine and improve its contents. Ruby McAndrew, 39, Dunedin News.